Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 K-Case. I got this case from a local distributor, Richard Z, who usually sells at local shows. I left his information in a link below. So let's open this case up and see what's inside. So the Super for this case is a 57 Chevy, and the regular is a Ford truck. So the first three cars of the case are the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, this is the regular, the Super would be in the last case, or 2 cases ago, the J case. Oh no, last case. And then the 20 Jeep Gladiator. These are all from last case. Then we have the Velocita, the 68 Shelby GT500, and another Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Next 3 cars are another Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, a Night Dragon, and a Humvee. Then we have another 20 Jeep Gladiator, a 98 Honda Prelude, and an Audi RS5 Coupe. Then we have a 2018 Honda Civic Type R, a 57 Chevy. This is the regular. And then the Nissan 300 ZX Twin Turbo. Then we have the 49 Ford F1, the 68 Shelby GT500, and the Mad Props. Then we have the 57 Plymouth Fury and 2 Croc Rods. Next is a 2018 Honda Civic Type R, the Velocita, and the 90 Acura NSX. Then we have a 2018 Ford Mustang GT and 2 Beat-Alls. Getting close to the end of the first half, we have the BMW Z4M Motorsport, the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and the Batcopter. This is really cool. Then we have another 57 Chevy, and this is a regular. An HW450F, and a BMW Z4M Motorsport. So the last car is the first half of the 86 Monte Carlo SS, the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. So the first car is the second half of the 69 Camaro and 2 Grand Crosses. Then we have the Roger Dodger 2.0, the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. This is really nice. I really like the black and red. And then the Range Rover Velar. And we have another 69 Camaro and 2 custom autos. Then we have a LaFasta, Velociracer, and an Electro Silhouette. Then we have another Electro silhouette and 2 Bone Shakers. The ID would be found in last case for the Bone Shaker, so that's why there's 2. Then we have 2 2019 Audi R8 Spyders. This is a really nice casting. Then we have a 2 Tough. Then we have an Eric Stein rod, custom Cadillac Fleetwood, and a Velociracer. Getting to the bottom of the case, we have a Circle Tracker, Formula E Gen 2 car, and a Big Air Bel Air. Then we have another Big Air Bel Air, Manga Tuna, and a Toyota 2000 GT. This is from the Olympic Games, Tokyo. Then we have a Datsun 620, an Eric Stein rod, and a 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Then we have another Toyota 2000 GT, and 2 Custom 01 Acura Integra GSRs. And the last 3 cars of the case are the 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, the 69 Dodge Charger 500, and the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. I did not get the Supra in my case, but here's what the Supra would look like. So you can see it's a lot darker pink. Then it has gold rims, and this has black rims. So it's super easy to tell apart. Then you can see the 25 THs on the back right here. And then for the card, it's basically the same thing, just the rims and the color. But then you can see that the Supra, it has a black stripe on the hood and the regular doesn't. My favorite cars in the case are the Audi RS5 Coupe, the Range Rover Velar, the Datsun 620. People are going to want this car. The Big Air Bel Air. This is a new casting. I'm sure they'll make it a lot more. The Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. This looks really cool with the police design on the side. The Toyota 2000 GT. You can see it's from the Tokyo 2020. Then you can see it says Karate right here. The Shelby Cobra 427 SC. We haven't seen this car for a while, so it's really cool to see this as a mainline. You can see the red stripes on the top and the red interior. The 2018 Honda Civic Type R. There's so much detailing on it. You can see the Type R, then the white, red, and black. then 18, and the Honda logo on top. The 2019 Audi R8 Spider. This is probably my favorite car of the case. Just this Audi R8 looks really nice. I definitely prefer this one than the regular Audi R8 from 2016. And the 57 Chevy. Even though it's not the Super, it still looks pretty nice with the bright pink. And if you're wondering where the treasure hunt is, I didn't get one out of this case. Congrats to the J Case winner, and here's some pictures of the cars. Seems like Zachary K really enjoys these cars. The K Case giveaway cars are going to be the 2018 Honda Civic Type R and the Batcopter. In order to be entered for this giveaway, you need to comment down below "I love Hot Wheels," like this video and subscribe, and forward this video to 2 of your friends. I will pick the winner in a future video, and you have 1 week to claim your prize. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite cars are out of this 2020 K Case.